I move that we resume consideration of House Bill number 4058 under Committee Report number 18. This refers to the 2026 General Appropriations Bill, the parliamentary status of which is that we are in the period of interpellation. I further move that we now consider the budget of the Office of the Vice President and recognize the distinguished sponsor, our Chair of the Committee on Finance, Senator Sherwin Gatchalian.
Yeah. Any objection? The Chair hears none. The consideration of House Bill 4058 under Committee Report number 18 is in order. We now recognize Senator Sherwin Gatchalian, the Chairman of the Committee on Finance, to sponsor the budget of the Office of the Vice President.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you.
Thank
you, Mr. President. Thank you, Majority Leader. Mr. President, we respectfully submit for the body's consideration the proposed new appropriations for the Office of the Vice President for fiscal year 2026 amounting to 889 million pesos. Thank you, Mr. President.
Majority Leader.
Mr. President, to Senator Robin Padilla is seeking the floor for a manifestation of support. I move that he be recognized.
Senator Robin Padilla is recognized. And by the way, he would like to recognize the presence of the Vice President, Vice President Sara Duterte. Welcome to the Senate, Your Honor. Go ahead, Senator Padilla.
Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo at sa ating pong pinunong mayorya. Ako po'y walang katanungan sa ating ginoong sponsor, Senator Sherwin Gatchalian, kundi ako po'y magmamanifest lamang. Ako po'y natutuwa sapagkat dito po sa ating bulwagan ay atin pong hindi binawasan ang budget ng ating pangalawang Pangulo, bagkus ay dinagdagan. Sapagkat alam niyo po, sa akin pong karanasan sa tuwing may dadating na kalamidad, kalungkutan, kamatayan, naandyan po lagi ang ating pangalawang Pangulo upang makiramay, tumulong. Kahit saan pong lupalop sa Pilipinas, makikita po natin ang opisina ng ating pangalawang Pangulo at siya mismo pumupunta sa mga lugar na hindi pa po naabot ng kahit na sinong naging public official. Kaya ako po yung masaya at ako po yung nagpapasalamat sa ating mga kasama, sa ating pong sponsor, Senator Sherwin, sa ating pong Senate President, sa lahat po na bumubuo, sa lahat po ng mga senador. Maraming salamat po at hindi po nagmula dito sa ating bulwagan ang pang-iipit sa ating pangalawang Pangulo. Muli po, maraming salamat at pinatutunayan ko po ng napakalaki ng naitulong ng ating pangalawang Pangulo. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Majority Leader, what is the pleasure of the body?
Yes, Mr. President, there being no other reservation for interpellation, I move to close the period of interpellation on the budget of the Office of the Vice President and that the same be deemed submitted for the body's consideration.
Any objection? Hearing none, the budget of the Office of the Vice President is hereby deemed submitted. 1 minute suspension.